High in the mountains, nestled among peaks and clouds, lies the village of Avani. It is a place untouched by time, a secret held close by the earth. Avani has a secret. The sun rises twice. Imagine waking with the sun. It is a familiar comfort. Now imagine it setting and then rising again, not once but twice. This is the reality for the people of Avani. The village is a tapestry of color. Houses are painted in vibrant shades of orange, red and gold, echoing the dual sunrises. They cling to the mountainside, connected by winding cobblestone paths. Waterfalls cascade down the mountain, feeding the lush vegetation. Strange and beautiful flowers bloom in Avani. They are unlike any found elsewhere. Their petals shimmer, holding the light of two sunrises. No one remembers when or why the sun began to rise twice over Avani. The elders speak of ancient spirits and celestial beings. Their stories have been passed down for generations. One legend tells of a powerful shaman who split the sun in two. He wanted to create a day that lasted longer. Another whispers of a celestial dance between the sun and the moon. Their love created a second dawn. The dual sunrises shape life in Avani. The villagers have adapted to the unusual cycle of light and dark. They have a unique rhythm to their days. The first sunrise marks the beginning of the workday. The second sunrise is a time for celebration and reflection. It is a time for families to gather and share stories. We are blessed, says Maya, a weaver known for her intricate tapestries. Her hands move with a grace that speaks of years of dedication and love for her craft. Each thread she weaves tells a story of her ancestors, of the land, and of the twin suns that rise and set over their village. Maya's tapestries are not just pieces of art. They are a living history, a testament to the resilience and beauty of her people. Her eyes sparkle like the twin suns reflected in the river. The river, a lifeline for the village, mirrors the celestial dance of the suns, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that never fails to inspire awe. Maya often sits by the river, drawing inspiration from its ever-changing reflections, incorporating its beauty into her tapestries. The river's gentle flow and the twin suns' radiant glow are woven into the very fabric of her creations. The second sunrise is a gift. It brings with it a sense of renewal and hope, a chance to start anew. As the first sun rises, it bathes the village in a warm golden light, awakening the world with its gentle touch. The second sun follows, adding a layer of brilliance, a reminder that every day is filled with endless possibilities. The villagers cherish this daily phenomenon, seeing it as a symbol of their unique place in the universe. It is a time to appreciate the beauty around us. The villagers gather to witness the twin sunrises, their faces glowing with reverence and joy. They stand in awe of the natural beauty that surrounds them, from the lush green fields to the towering mountains that cradle their village. This moment of collective appreciation strengthens their bond with each other and with the land they call home. It is a daily ritual that reminds them of the blessings they share. It's like having 2 days in one, laughs a young shepherd named Rajan. His laughter is infectious, echoing through the hills as he tends to his flock. Rajan's days are filled with the simple joys of life, from the playful antics of his sheep to the camaraderie he shares with fellow shepherds. The twin sons provide him with ample light to guide his flock, ensuring they find the best grazing spots and stay safe from predators. He watches over his flock as they graze under the watchful gaze of the twin sons. The sheep, with their woolly coats glistening in the sunlight, move contentedly across the fields. Rajan takes pride in his role as their guardian, knowing that his care and vigilance are crucial to their well-being. The twin sons' light creates a serene and nurturing environment, allowing the flock to thrive and grow. Twice the light, twice the joy. The village basks in the abundant sunlight, its people thriving under the twin suns' benevolent gaze. The children play in the fields, their laughter mingling with the songs of birds. The elders share stories of old, passing down wisdom and traditions to the younger generation. The twin suns are more than just celestial bodies. They are a source of life, joy, and inspiration for the entire village. Every day the villagers celebrate the unique gift of their twin sunrises, finding joy and meaning in the light that illuminates their world. Not everyone sees the double sunrise as a blessing. Some elders speak of a time before the phenomenon. They remember a simpler time. The second sunrise disrupted the natural order, whispers old man Hemel, his voice raspy with age. It brought change. Change is not always good. One legend speaks of the Sun Weaver, a being of pure light, whose origins are shrouded in mystery and wonder. She is said to be a celestial entity, born from the very first rays of the sun, carrying within her the essence of warmth, life, and creativity. The Sun Weaver resides beyond the highest peak, in a realm untouched by mortal hands. It is a place where the sky meets the earth in a harmonious embrace, and where the colors of dawn and dusk blend into an eternal twilight. From this vantage point, she observes the world below, her heart filled with a deep love for the land of Avani and its inhabitants. In her infinite creativity, the Sun Weaver wove the second sunrise into existence. This was not just any sunrise, but a masterpiece of light and color, a symphony of hues that danced across the sky. The legend tells us that she crafted this second sunrise to remind the people of Avani of the beauty and wonder of the world around them. Each strand of light was meticulously woven, each color carefully chosen to evoke feelings of awe and inspiration. The second sunrise is her gift to the world, a reminder to pause and appreciate the magic that surrounds us. It is said that when the second sunrise appears, it brings with it a sense of peace and renewal. The villagers of Avani would gather to witness this celestial event, their faces illuminated by the radiant colors of the sky. They would stand in silent reverence, their hearts filled with gratitude for the Sun Weaver's gift. This legend has been passed down through generations, a timeless tale of wonder and beauty that continues to inspire all who hear it. The villagers of Avani live their lives in harmony with this extraordinary phenomenon. They understand that they are custodians of something special. Their lives are a testament to the power of adaptation and the enduring spirit of humanity. They embrace the extraordinary and find joy in the everyday. Avani, the village where the sun rises twice, is a place of wonder. Nestled in a hidden valley, this village is unlike any other. The first sunrise is a gentle awakening, a soft glow that kisses the rooftops and stirs the birds from their slumber. But it is the second sunrise that truly captivates the heart. As the sun rises again, the village is bathed in a magical light, revealing secrets and wonders that are hidden from the ordinary eye. It is a reminder that magic exists in the most unexpected places. In Avani, the air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the sound of laughter. The villagers go about their day with a sense of purpose, yet there is always a hint of mystery in their eyes. They know that their village is special, that it holds a magic that cannot be explained, only experienced. The children of Avani grow up with stories of enchantment, tales of talking animals and hidden treasures, and they learn to see the world with a sense of wonder. All you have to do is open your heart to see it. The magic of Avani is not just in the village itself, but in the way it makes you feel. It is a place where dreams come to life, where the impossible becomes possible. The villagers believe that if you open your heart and truly believe, you can see the magic that surrounds you. It is a lesson that they carry with them, a reminder to always look for the extraordinary in the ordinary. The story of Avani is a fable, a whisper of the impossible. It is a tale that has been passed down through generations, a story that is told with a sense of reverence and awe. The villagers gather around the fire at night, sharing stories of the magical sunrises and the wonders that they have seen. They speak of the time when the village was first discovered, of the explorers who stumbled upon this hidden gem and were forever changed by its beauty. The story of Avani is a reminder that there is always more to the world than meets the eye, that there is magic waiting to be discovered if we only take the time to look. Yet it reminds us to look for the extraordinary in the ordinary. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it is easy to forget the magic that surrounds us. But in Avani, the villagers have learned to see the world with new eyes. They find joy in the simple things, in the beauty of a sunrise, in the laughter of a child, in the warmth of a hug. They know that magic is not just about grand gestures and spectacular events, but about the small moments that make life special. It is a lesson that they share with all who visit. a reminder to always look for the magic in the everyday. Perhaps if we look closely enough, we might just find it. The magic of Avani is not just in the village itself, but in the way it makes you feel. It is a place where dreams come to life, where the impossible becomes possible. The villagers believe that if you open your heart and truly believe, you can see the magic that surrounds you. It is a lesson that they carry with them, a reminder to always look for the extraordinary in the ordinary. So the next time you find yourself in a quiet moment, take a deep breath, open your heart and look closely. You might just find a little bit of Avani in your own life.